Hi children, welcome to English class. Today we are going to discuss the grammar about grammar at page number 150. So before we learn, just read this sentence. They both ran to pick it up. Near the wall they saw a little girl. She was grazing her goat. So read this sentence once again. They both ran to pick it up. Near the wall they saw a little girl. She was grazing her goat. So we already studied the story of three little children, Rema, then Jia and Hussein. So in that story we read this sentence, isn't it? They both ran to pick it up. You know who are those they? So the word they represents Jia and Hussein. It means it's a flying disc, isn't it? Then near the wall they saw. Who saw? Jia and Hussein. They saw a little girl. She was grazing her goat. Who is she? She is Rema. Her goat. Whose goat? Rema's goat, isn't it? So here these words they, it, she, her. So these words are called pronouns. So what are pronouns? Pronouns are words that are used in place of nouns to avoid repetition. So we can say Jia and Hussein both ran to pick flying disc up. Near the wall, Jia and Hussein saw a little girl. Rema was grazing Rema's goat. So it's the sentence will not be nice to hear, isn't it? So instead of that, instead of repeating the names or nouns, we use another words, and such words are called pronouns. So remember, you have to remember that the words that are used in place of nouns are called pronouns. Here you see the word they has been used to avoid using Jia and Hussein. So in this sentence they represent Jia and Hussein. Then similarly the word it, she and her are used to avoid the repetition of the same noun. So here we avoid using Rema again and again. Instead of that we use the word she and her. So remember, pronouns are words that are used in place of nouns. Some words we use in place of nouns, such nouns are called pronouns. Then here some examples are given. Underline the pronouns and circle the nouns they talked about. Underline the nouns, underline the pronouns and circle the nouns. So there is a sentence given. You have to underline the pronouns and you have to circle the nouns. Here you see, this is a good story. Let us read it. This is a good story. Let us read it. Here you see, what is the noun here? Yes, story is the noun. Then what's the pronoun? Here the noun is story and pronoun is it. Why? This is a good story. Let us read story. Instead of repeating the noun story, in place of that we use the pronoun it. So here it is the pronoun. Underline the pronoun and circle the nouns. Then again, next sentence. Yes, I found Rema. She is outside the school gate. We should help her. You have to underline the pronouns and circle the nouns of the sentence. Here I, it's a pronoun. Then Rema, it's a noun. She, it's pronoun. We, it's a pronoun. Then her, it's also pronoun. Then the next sentence. Hussein says he will teach Rema to write. Hussein says he will teach Rema to write. Here the noun is Hussein. Says he will teach Rema to write. Here who is teaching Rema to write? Hussein. So instead of Hussein, which pronoun is used here? He. So you have to underline the pronoun he here, and Hussein, that's a noun. Then next sentence, Jia gave a book to Raj. He thanked her. Jia gave a book to Raj. He thanked her. So here Raj, it's a noun. He, pronoun of Raj. Jia, another noun. Her, that's the pronoun. Then Hussein invited Swati. She came to the party. Who invited Swati? Hussein. Then she came to the party. Here the noun is Swati and the pronoun is she. Why did we not circle the Hussein? In this question it is clearly written that underline the pronouns and circle the nouns they talked about. Here Hussein invited Swati and she came to the party. Here we are talking about Swati. So the noun Swati you have to circle and underline the pronoun she. Is it clear? Okay. Then again another exercise, circle the pronouns. Write S in the box if the pronoun is singular or P if the pronoun is plural. Here you see, Tinku wanted to play with them. Tinku wanted to play with them. So what we have to circle? We have to circle the pronoun. What is the pronoun here? Tinku. Tinku wanted to play with them. So what's the pronoun? Them. Them means it represents more than one people, isn't it? So here you have to mention that the pronoun is plural. So you have to write here P. Then next sentence. Daisy was trapped. Mondi helped her. Daisy was trapped. Mondi helped her. So in this sentence, what is the pronoun? Her. So the pronoun her is singular or plural. Is it a singular or plural? It's a singular. So you have to write S in this box. Then next sentence, Mondi's friend ate with us. Mondi's friend ate with us. So what's the pronoun here? Instead of noun we use another word. So that pronoun is us. So as it also represents more than one people. So it's a plural. Then again, Akash came to meet me yesterday. So what's the pronoun here? Me. So me, the pronoun is singular. Write S here. Then I liked the movie. I watched it last week. So the noun movie. That movie, instead of movie we used the pronoun it. So it is a singular. Write S in this box. So in that way you have to do the exercise. Then there is a writing junction given. Let's read this paragraph. This is Rema. Rema has two friends, Jia and Hussein. Jia and Hussein help Rema read books. Jia loves painting. Jia paints lovely pictures. Hussein likes to read adventure stories. Hussein has a lot of books. Hussein gives Rema Hussein's books to read. Rema, Jia and Hussein have a lot of fun together. Now look at the words in orange and replace them with the pronouns from the help box and fill in the blanks. Here some pronouns are given here in this box. You have to choose the correct pronouns in place of these nouns, Rema, Jia and Hussein. Again Hussein's. So there are a number of nouns are repeated. In place of that you have to use the pronouns. Okay, this is the homework you have to do. Then you have to write in the notebook what are pronouns. Then answer is already given. Words that are used in place of nouns are called pronouns. Example. So this is the work you have to write in the notebook. So today's class is over. We'll see in the next class. Thank you.